Hi everyone, good morning. It's Lauren with the Coffee Kit Quilt Company and today is December 5th and we have our box 5 from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas to share with all of you. If you are new here or maybe you're not aware, we are doing a Countdown to Christmas with Missouri Star Quilt Company's Jenny Doan, and we have 25 boxes to start from December 1st to get us through to Christmas. So stick around, like and subscribe to our channel if you want to continue seeing these unboxings or unbaggings. Some of them are unbaggings. And if you haven't already, go ahead and start watching. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 already up on our channel as well if you want to backtrack and get caught up. So let's go ahead and see what's in box number 5. Here we have box number 5. All of these boxes are so cute. And they're all different too. They're just the little town of Hamilton, Missouri. Okay, let's see what's in this one. There's 2 openings, so hopefully there's no like right or wrong way for this one. Oh, I actually have some of these already. I got these in a sew sampler actually a couple months ago. But these are quilt hangers. All right, although I'm not seeing the hardware. There should be technically screws that actually go in here. At least that's what came with the sew sampler a couple months ago. It did come with screws. But anyway, what you do is you go ahead and take this ball, and it's on a screw as well, and you can adjust it for your quilt. Well, I guess in this case it'd be more like a wall hanging, unless you have more of them. Obviously to kind of like distribute the load across the wall. But anyway, you can go ahead and account for different thicknesses of quilts as well. If you have like a wool quilt versus like a 100% cotton batting quilt, you know, they're thicker and thinner. Anyway, that's pretty neat. Now I have 4. Oh goodness. So, alrighty. It's a really good one. Maybe not quite as like fun and colorful and interesting as the other unbaggings, but still useful nonetheless. Go ahead and let me know down below what you guys thought of this unboxing. Is this something that you would use? I am sure that I can find this somewhere, either on Missouri Star's website or somewhere else on the interweb. So I'll go ahead and put that link down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing these. And then our question for today is, how many quilts have you made in your lifetime? So how many quilts I've made, if I'm counting the rag quilt that I made when I was 18 in high school, I've made 8 quilts. And that might sound really sad. I've been quilting for 10 years now, but I also have 4 kids and I work full time and I've got my long arm business on the side. So we're very, very busy over here at Coffee Cake with life and kids and work. So anyway, I'd love to know how many quilts you have all made, and go ahead and put that down in the comments down below, and I will see you tomorrow for box number 6. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.